Would you like a relaxing time here at Senator's Wash Lake in Yuma, Arizona? I've got a private island all for us.
What's it called?
All right.
Here we go.
Here we are.
Special Kayaking 101.
Here we are on Senator's Wash Lake. Mickey, Costin, Mindy, David, right here. The crew's all here. What's that?
Oh, finger off.
Well, we must go there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Onwards to exploration. What's that silver thing up there? Is that a tent?
I know, what is that? I know, right?
Oh, there's a bunch of campers.
Yeah, it's a camper.
Yeah,
That's a camper.
Oh, it's a camper. I guess that wouldn't have been great to go up and like explore it.
I don't know how they get back there, because I would never do back there. I mean, they don't let us live there.
Oh my gosh. Well, this is pretty beautiful, folks.
Very.
Wow.
That's weird. I just moving my way around that big rock.
Good for you.
Yeah, getting better.
Well, of course, we have to document lunch.
Lunch.
Lunch. Lunch. Specially made by Chef Costin. Peanut butter and jelly. And Ruffles cheddar and sour cream potato chips. Right here on beautiful, what is it called again?
I forget.
Senator's Wash Lake. That's it. Yeah, that's it. That's it.
That's it.
I think that's it. So we found ourselves an island out here,
That guy's raking gravel over.
yeah, we got a guy over there on the shore raking the gravel. Got to do that as you're,
OCD.
you know, when you're camped on a gravel beach, you got to go rake it.
Pebble sizes.
Right. Yeah, you got to get the granulated pieces at the bottom, and then
Good work.
yeah, yeah.
Very impressive.
As another piece of note, the water is about, oh, I don't know, Negative 344.5 degree Fahrenheit.
It's not that bad.
Mickey says it's not that bad.
That's bigger in it.
Well, so.
David's just dramatic.
Of course. You can't be not dramatic. I don't know. Oh, what do we got here? I don't know. It's a green rock.
We have from 600 BC.
We'll explore that later.
Call it gravel.
Yeah.
But that's why we're here. We don't like it.
Huh.
That was a nice try. We could try
That was a
good job.
it was a good effort.
It was.
A few rock climbing we can do up there.
Or if you just plow straight through.
Yeah.
You have no cares.
For our video audience here, we were trying to explore the island, but we seem to only be able to explore the shoreline because there is no. It's too thick. It's very cold. Very cold water. It's very cold.
Yeah. If I fall, we could get reach off of it.
Well, yeah. Well, this is federal land. We can't sue anybody.
No, it'll be on funniest video.
Oh, well, yeah. Yeah, okay. Oh, that's cold. Crap, man.
I'm in it. I'm in it now, I'm fine.
I don't think I ever got to that point. We're not gonna walk through rattlesnake jungle again? Okay.
I'd rather change my life on a slippery rock.
What do we have here? Oh, that's moss, I think. Too bad.
Yeah, hard to see anything. It's all covered in the same goo.
Yeah.
No gemstones.
No gemstones here.
None that we can see.
I wasn't expecting this.
Me either. Well, this road's closed off because we circled the lake, but we only got to where we just were.
Huh.
We weren't able to go that farther.
Well, I can see why. It's a sheer cliff.
No, it's just military.
Oh.
Just pick last. You can see the gate. We got to the gate. No, it's like Tampa. Yeah. We're gonna fly in.
All right, well, I say we do a sidebar. Yeah. We think we've reached the end.
Yeah, we'll let that. Check that.
They're gonna go off that way. Costin and I are gonna go over here and do a gentlemanly exploration of this little, what we're hoping to be an awesome situation, but it is probably not. probably just a little, probably what we see is what we get.
Yeah. It's cool though to see all the shallow.
Oh yeah, wow. Look at all that.
And we would have had a much better shot, like, you know, a week ago when the water level was up 3 feet.
Yeah, there is absolutely not a.
No, that's pretty hardcore dead end, isn't it?
I mean, since we came over here. Oh, there's a fish. Big fish. All right. Oh, look at all the fish. Oh my gosh.
They're alive?
Yeah. There's like a big school over here. Oh, look at them. Oh, there they go. They're little, I don't know what they are. Did you see them?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They're pretty big too. I thought they were going to be tiny when you said school. They came back over your way. They're there. Wow. That's pretty cool.
Well, we came over here for something, you know, that's...
What a school of fish.
Yeah.
Cool. I haven't actually really seen any like schools of fish like that. That move in that pattern and...
In this lake or just in general?
Just in general.
Oh, wow.
No?
Well, there's a new time for everything.
Yep, that was it.
No matter how remote you get in the wilderness, there's always trash.
Yeah.
Yep.
Doesn't really matter.
I mean, I think in the United States, this is about as, in the contiguous United States, this is about as remote as you get. And yet we still have, what is this, a ball cap?
School of fish was pretty sweet.
It was. We got to at least see what the brand is, what the hat is going on. Oh, I just ran it over. There we go. FAM's first. FAM's first.
It says fans.
FAM's first. FAMS first.
That sounds like a...
Yeah, at least get it out of the water. So, it turns out that, you know, we got ourselves into a treacherous windstorm here. You batten down the hatches. So, the group here thought, well, we should probably record this just in case, you know, we find our fates. See, it's so bad Costin there, he's getting his t-shirt on. That's pretty bad when you have to get your t-shirt on. Oh, okay. Here we go. Well, this is not necessarily the best kayak for overbow water action. I know. Now see, they are motorized over there. So, you know, a little advantage. Although I will say the wave action has slowed down a little bit. I know. Do you want to stop over there first?
No.
Okay.